Welcome to Interfacing Qt Quick to C++ for intermediate Qt developers. Qt Quick is the latest and greatest user interface design technology from the Qt framework. It is best known and used to build fluid, dynamic, and cross-platform user interfaces that can run on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and even embedded devices. Being built on top of Qt C++, your fluid and dynamic Qt Quick user interfaces can be easily extended or interfaced with a powerful C++ backend, allowing you to take full advantage of what Qt has to offer. In this course, I'll show you various key techniques you need to know to make your powerful C++ backend and your shiny, fluid Qt Quick user interface work together in one single piece of software product. You'll learn the different facilities at your disposal in the Qt framework. Those will be helping you write Qt code in the recommended way. That is, building a fluid and eye-catching user interface in QML and connecting it to a powerful C++ codebase for heavy operations. The ideal student for the course is somebody who already knows the way around both the C++ side of Qt and Qt Quick and is willing to learn how the two sides can communicate. The course is packed with lots of straight-to-the-point and easy-to-understand lectures, most of them backed by engaging demos for you to try out the concepts on your own right away. If you're looking to learn how you can get your Qt C++ and QML code bases to connect and talk to each other, this course will get you up and running in the shortest amount of time possible. Let's take a closer look at what is covered in the course. We dive in the course, immediately showing you how you can communicate between the two sides, QML and C++. We show you how you can call a C++ function from QML, we show you how you can call a QML JavaScript function from C++, and many more cool features. Next, we step back and look at how data is converted when you pass it back and forth between C++ and QML. We then set out to do a demo, putting in practice everything you've learned so far. We'll build a REST API client that is going to download HTTP data in C++ and pass the data to Qt Quick for display. We finally go on and show you a different way you can expose your C++ data for using Qt Quick, and this one will allow you to do cool things like instantiating your own types on the Qt Quick side. We're going to look at concepts like object list and properties, default properties, grouped properties, property value sources, and many more. Qt is the platform of choice for thousands of software projects, both open source and commercial, including the one I'm using to record this video right now. If you want to build fluid, dynamic, and cross-platform user interfaces that can run on virtually anything out there and take advantage of the powerful features of the C++ programming language, Qt is second to none in that regard. Please check out some of the preview videos and let's get you started connecting your powerful C++ backend to a dynamic and fluid Qt Quick user interface.